Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will practice fourth worksheet of preposition from class 8 BBC. If you like my video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Part A is fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions given in the box below. बॉक्स में जो जो prepositions given है उन्हीं में से हमें इस blanks में fill करना है. From, for, during, to, since, before, after, till, until and towards. First, my father is planning to migrate dash Canada. तो Canada जाने का plan करें तो migrate to Canada. Second, the money you donate will go dash a new orphanage we are building. 2. Third, we have lived here dash 1990. Point of time को बताने के लिए since use होता है, since 1990. Fourth, I sat exactly dash him during the conference. Exactly before him. Fifth, you have to go dash the hospital to reach the medical college on the left. Go towards. Sixth, just wait dash you see it. It's really going to be very beautiful. Till or until. Seventh, let it boil dash 15 minutes. 4. 8. Can't you wait dash mom returns home from office? Till. 9th, you shouldn't bath immediately dash a meal. After. 10th, we are open dash 8 am dash 11 pm. From 8 am till 11 pm. 11th, I haven't heard from her dash 2 months. For 2 months because 2 months है वो period of time, duration of time mention करने बता रहा है. 12th, they waited dash us dash the ceremony. They waited for us after the ceremony. 13th, I have been going dash pillar dash post to get my work done. From and to. 14th, can you please guide me how to get dash the railway station dash here? Get to the railway station from here. 15th, we shall go dash a walk dash dinner. To go for a walk after dinner. 16th, keep hope dash all options die. Till. 17th, the pigeon returned dash its loft. 2. 18th, dash you is a list of points we need to discuss. Before you. 19th, how much dash this leather jacket? 4. 20, there was severe food shortage dash the war. During the war मतलब war के टाइम पे खाने की शॉर्टेज हो गई थी. और we can also use before. Part B is underline the correct preposition in each of the following sentences. First, can you type this letter dash me? For me. क्या तुम मेरे लिए ये लेटर टाइप कर सकते हो? Second, my friend has been waiting dash his result dash morning. तो वो वेट कर रहा है सुबह से रिजल्ट के लिए, तो वेटिंग फॉर रिजल्ट. मॉर्निंग से वेट कर रहा है तो पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है सिंस मॉर्निंग. थर्ड, शी इज सो डिफरेंट डैश हर ब्रदर. कंपैरिजन है कि वो जो है अपने भाई से बहुत अलग है, तो डिफरेंट फ्रॉम her brother. Fourth, who is this letter addressed dash? Addressed to. Fifth, she reached dash 10 p.m. So she reached before 10 p.m. Sixth, they moved to Delhi dash her graduation. तो after her graduation, उसकी graduation के बाद दिल्ली शिफ्ट हो गए. Seventh, where are you coming dash? कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Eighth, let's go dash a walk. Let's go for a walk. मतलब walk के लिए चलते हैं. Ninth, the letter has come back dash me. Has come back to me. 10th, dash which poem have these lines been taken? ये लाइन्स जो है वो कहाँ से ली हैं? तो फ्रॉम विच पोएम, कौन सी पोएम से ली गई हैं? 11th, नोटिंगहमशायर इज फेमस डैश इट्स रॉबिन हुड म्यूजियम. तो वो किसके लिए फेमस है? तो इज फेमस फॉर, इसके लिए फेमस है. 12th, I always walk dash my office. Walk to my office. 13th, they stood here dash the bus arrived. Till the bus arrived. 14th, I have depended on my mother dash now. Until now. 15th, do not use the mobile dash office hours. During. 16th, I will show you the way. Come dash me. Come after me. तो मेरे पीछे आओ. 17th, we found ourselves standing dash the huge hulk. Before the huge hulk. 18th, they have been learning to play the piano dash childhood. Since childhood. 19th, eat what you like, do not ask for food. Do not ask for food afterwards. 20, I am dash India. मैं इंडिया से हूँ. I am from India.